Well, folks, here we are. The flood has crested and the river's going back down. Although it's still in a flood stage. The truck is back and we are moving back into this church. There are still some sandbags over there. Sandbags out on the curb to be picked up. Sandbags out on the curb here, but still some around the house. They're just, now it's cleanup time. And everything is cleaning up. And we made it. We survived the flood. Now we go back to business. We are going back now into the neighborhood that actually I ended the last video log in. And we'll see. We've got sandbags on the street, got still some houses, but a lot of sandbags coming up here on the right. Big pile of them out for the city to pick up. Here we are in recovery mode now, and look at all of them on the sides of the street. Big pile of them here.
Still closed, I think.
Yep. Looks like Ellis is still closed, but we've got houses. Some of these houses are still sandbagged, but that's all right. This is really the first day back in, officially. That one's looking good. Coming up on I Avenue and 8th Street. We're going to go in the back side to the church since Ellis Boulevard is still closed. But this will give you a good idea of how this neighborhood prepared, and they're cleaning up, and those kids are using the sandbags to build a fort. That's cool. That's fun. And we've got sandbags on the street there, sandbags piled up over there. And most of these will be able to be reused because they did not get wet. So they'll get recycled into...
I think they'll probably use it for winter.
Ah.
That's what they've been talking about. Use it to sand the streets.
Yeah, sounds like they might use the sand to sand the streets. There's some houses. There's one. 15. Can you go to... Oop, you're all right.
Right here.
And here we are.
If you could get a nice photo of this, I would like that. Actually.
I will do that.
All the colors in here.
And here we go. We are back to St. James, and we will be coming in this next week or this weekend. The church members will be here to take care of this, but we will be able to have a church service on Sunday because the church did not get wet this time. Well, folks, thank you. That's it. The flood of 2016. We prepared well. Everybody survived. I think it was a good experience. Thank you for joining me, and as always, I bid you peace. Bye-bye.